back to another video. You are watching Phones on today with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy A5. Yes, talking about Samsung Galaxy A5, we can compare it with Samsung Galaxy A5 Duos together out there. Because Samsung Galaxy A5 की बात करें 2014 का वेरिएंट जो हम कहते हैं इसे, this is around 6 years back variant out there. Yes, 2014 का ये वेरिएंट है. And when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers a good quality functionalities. मतलब उसकी जो functionality है हम कह सकते हैं वो काफी ज्यादा अच्छी है. Yes, they are very nice out there. चलिए पहले बात करते हैं इसके स्पेसिफिकेशंस की और फिर साथ ही साथ कंपेयर करते रहेंगे इसके साथ जो रिलीज हुआ था Samsung Galaxy A5 Duo को, साथ में उसको भी कंपेयर करते हैं. Talking about this variant, it has got a weight which is 123 grams, which is actually same. मतलब इसमें और दो में वेटेज का कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. 123 grams का वेटेड फोन है ये. Talking about this phone, talking about this variant, especially A5 out there, we can say इसमें Gorilla Glass front है. Gorilla Glass की प्रोटेक्शन है, स्पेशली Gorilla Glass 4 की प्रोटेक्शन है. एंड प्लास्टिक फ्रेम वर्क की जगह पे एल्यूमिनियम फ्रेम वर्क है एंड प्लास्टिक बैक है. यू विल गेट टू सी प्लास्टिक बैक आउट देयर. और टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिम टेक्नोलॉजी, इसमें नैनो सिम यूज हो रही है विद सुपर आलमंड कैपिटल टच स्क्रीन एंड 16mm कलराइजेशन. यस, सुपर आलमंड कैपिटल टच स्क्रीन है, 16mm कलराइजेशन है. साथ ही साथ 5 इंच की स्क्रीन साइज है. यस, यू गेट टू हैव 5 इंच स्क्रीन साइज. Whereas you get to see 294 ppi density resolution. Resolution is really nice. 294 resolution is really amazing quality out there. जब हम बात करते हैं इसके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की तो इट लैक्स आउट. यस, इट लैक्स आउट. व्हाई वी से सो? हैविंग अ एंड्रॉइड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑफ 4.4.4, मतलब किटकैट का एंड्रॉइड 4 का वर्जन है इसमें. Whereas when we talk about this version only, this can be upgraded out. This can be easily upgraded up to 7. Yes, this can be upgraded up to 7 out है. एंड्रॉइड 4 अपग्रेड हो पा रहा है एंड्रॉइड 7 तक, तो कह सकते हैं अच्छी खासी इसमें अपग्रेडेबिलिटी देखने को मिल रही है. वहीं पर दो में जो है अपग्रेडेबिलिटी कम देखने को मिलती है. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स रिमेन दी सेम, लाइक स्नैपड्रैगन प्रोसेसर सिस्टम दोनों में ही है. इसमें भी स्नैपड्रैगन 410 प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम है. एज वेल एज यू गेट टू सी दैट इट ऑफर्स expandability. This has got a dedicated slot for expandability. You don't have to go for a hybrid SIM technology. मतलब इसमें सिम का अलग स्लॉटेशन है और मेमोरी कार्ड का अलग स्लॉटेशन है. 16GB स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी के साथ 2GB रैम भी देखने को मिल रही है. So get to see 16GB storage capacity as well as 2GB RAM out there. Along with that, you get to see 13 megapixel rear camera and you get to see a very good सेल्फी कैमरा ऑफ 5 मेगापिक्सल. मतलब 13 मेगापिक्सल का अगर रेयर कैमरा है एलईडी फ्लैश लाइट के साथ, तो वहीं पर आपको सेल्फी कैमरा भी अच्छा देखने को मिल रहा है. दैट इज अ 5 मेगापिक्सल. सो दिस कैन बी सेड एज अ गुड वेरिएंट. और साथ ही साथ बात करें इस वेरिएंट की तो लाउड स्पीकर है, 3.5 जैक है, वाईफाई है, ब्लूटूथ है, एनएफएस है. इसमें आपको इंफ्रारेड पोर्ट नहीं देखने को मिल रहा है. सो वी कैन से दैट these all specifications gives out overall and a good variant out there. मतलब अच्छा वेरिएंट कहा जा सकता है इसे. साथ ही साथ बैटरी लाइफ की बात करें तो वो थोड़ी सी वीक है, बट स्टिल इट्स गिविंग अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टॉक टाइम. मतलब 15 आवर्स का टॉक टाइम मिल रहा है इन 2300 mAh बैटरी. सो दिस कुड बी सेड एज अ गुड वेरिएंट. 2300 mAh की बैटरी में आपको 15 आवर्स टॉक टाइम, दैट्स अ वंडरफुल फीचर आउट है. Talking about this wonderful feature, we have got a site which offers a great pricing. And the site name is PhoneZone.ae. Yes, this is the site I'm talking about. The site name is PhoneZone.ae. And it offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed companies out there. This search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget out here, and you can search easily out there your favorite models. So let us search, and this is the model we are talking about, Samsung Galaxy A5. So the results are out, and as we can see the results, this is the description box offering n number of specifications, so you can easily check out the features of your variant. As well as there is a condition written on the top that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how is it different from brand new, and check whether it's good to invest in refurbished products or not. So let us talk about refurbished product. And when we talk about refurbished product, we can say that it's quite similar to brand new products. How we say so, मतलब क्यों हम ये कह रहे हैं? Because brand new मतलब is something absolutely new, which has been not used, which has been absolutely untouched. That is absolutely, we can say, new for us. But refurbished is something which is like creating something newly like. Yes, creating something newly like. Why we say so? Refurbished is creating something which was back then. Yes, मतलब जो पहले जैसा था उसे वैसा ही बना देना. It's called refurbished. Now, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that they are very similar in the structurality, functionality, because they are absolutely same. क्योंकि इनकी टेस्टिंग के पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, इनकी फंक्शनैलिटी सेम होती है, और बस एक ही डिफरेंस होता है. The major difference lies out is कि these refurbished products are pre-owned phones. Yes, these are pre-owned versions, whereas brand new are not pre-owned. Like जैसे ये ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें, उसमें 3 फेजेस होते हैं और सेम 3 फेजेस जो हैं हमारे होते हैं रिफर्बिश्ड में. ब्रांड न्यू इज फ्रॉम द कंपनी, मतलब बेस इज द कंपनी आउट देयर. उसके बाद वो मार्केट प्लेस में आता है, इट कम्स टू द मार्केट प्लेस, देन इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. Yes, it goes to the users. तो ये हो जाता है हमारा ब्रांड न्यू का पैसेज. Whereas this user becomes now the base. वो अब हमें बेस बन गया. Now it going back. Now they don't want to use that variant out here, that gadget. तो market place में आता है. They resell it, and then it is checked out, verified, everything is done, and it is packed as a newly like one. और फिर ये एक नए यूजर को दिया जाता है. So this is called refurbished product. Now talking about this product, we can say refurbished products में भी पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, टेस्ट होते हैं जो कि ब्रांड न्यू में होते हैं, लाइक चेकिंग द कनेक्टिविटी आउट देयर, देयर आउटर स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल फंक्शनैलिटी, बैटरी लाइफ हो गई, उनके हैंडसेट्स में क्या क्या है, साथ में कौन कौन सी एक्सेसरीज है, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी चेक. लाइक अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो कनेक्टिविटी में चाहे वो ब्लूटूथ हो, इसकी वाईफाई हो, सिम कनेक्टिविटी हो, एक्सलोमीटर हो, सेंसिटिविटी हो, फिंगरप्रिंट हो, कोई भी कनेक्टिविटी हो, वो सभी चेक किए जाते हैं. Whereas when we talk about the outer structurality, it includes the display, buttons, camera, audio, video, normal calling process out there, everything out there. Whereas internal operating systems is checked out. Internal मतलब जो बारीक चीजें जो होती हैं जो check out करते हैं, like the operating system, CPU, GPU, GPS out there, SIM recognition, data connectivity, colorization, it's data wiping out there, everything, look, all the parameters which we read about any variant has to be checked. There are approximately 29 major parameters which are checked out with sub parameters out there. इन सबके सब parameters बहुत सारे होते हैं, but 29 are the major parameters out there. Now these 29 parameters are checked out, and when they are checked out, they are given a category which is known as refurbished or certified refurbished. Now what happens, what are the things which are involved in refurbished benefits? Because this offers you good quality products, good service products out there. It offers you really original parts are there. Everything is 100% genuine. Now when we talk about this product, what are the benefits of having refurbished over brand new? Number one is the savings. Yes, you get to have a savings. How you saving great amount? Like brand new, we know they are expensive, whereas refurbished are quite pocketable. Yes, refurbished products are quite pocketable out here, so you can save up to a great amount. Now, when we talk about savings and pocketable rates, we can say that brand new offers you 1 year warranty period. Yes, but when we pre-own any phone, when we own any phone which has been pre-owned, so उसकी warranty period usually it has reduced out. But when we check any product from the site and it has a condition return refurbished, it gets a warranty period of 6 months. मतलब 6 महीने की warranty period refurbished में आपको देखने को मिलती है. उसी के साथ आपको देखने को मिलता है, you get to see 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product, because these are pocketable, gives you savings, they have warranty period, and if you they are not approximately a good product for you or they have some disadvantage, then there is an exchange policy too. So you can definitely check that out. And let us go back to the site where we were talking about to check how the products are there and whether it offers the same things or not. This is the site out here we are talking about. This is phonezone.ae. And in this site, you get to see n number of brands in these categories, in these gadgets, in these reputed brands out here. As well as when we talk about this website, you get to see 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy already there. As well as COD and free shipping is additional factor to this. Now you get to have a COD delivery out there as well as free shipping out there. Then you get to have 48 hours timing. Yes, for most parts of UAE, the delivery timing is 48 hours, whereas in Saudi it might take up to a week. Whereas when we talk about pricing, this site offers you one of the best price, yes, best price for your favorite gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about order placement, you can place either online or on call. Any type of placement can be done. For best pricing, do check out the website. The search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. As well as if you want like to search any other gadget, you can let us know and you can search on the website too. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.